taste. Good to see you. Happy Thursday.
Yeah, definitely. It was kind of. I just got back from. I took like a little bit of vacation, right? And
Cool.
you know how it is when you come back and like somehow everything broke and there's like 10,000 emails. And
if we could only go back to like 2001 when we didn't really have cell phones and we went on vacation and it was real. And
I was a baby in
Jonathan doesn't even know what I'm
2001.
talking. Those are the days.
Good to know.
Takes my eye.